have some more breaking news coming in. Republic has exclusive details of how Syed Salahuddin funded terror in Kashmir. Syed Ahmad Shakeel raised, received and collected funds from terrorist organizations through active cadres from Saudi Arabia, and Shakeel's younger brother, that is Syed Shahid Yusuf Shahid, was accused of receiving funds from Pakistan for terror operations in the then state of Jammu and Kashmir. Remember, in a major development coming in from Jammu and Kashmir, government has sacked 11 government employees, including Hizbul Mujahideen chief Syed Salahuddin's two sons, for having their links with terror groups or anti-national elements as well. And Republic has now accessed exclusive details of how Syed Salahuddin funded terror in Kashmir. Syed Ahmad Shakeel had raised and received and collected funds from terror organizations through active cadres from Saudi Arabia. Meanwhile, Shakeel's younger brother, Syed Shahid Yusuf Shahid, was also accused of receiving funds from Pakistan for terror operations in state of Jammu and Kashmir. Let me go across to my colleagues Zeenat and Gursimran, who are joining us live from Srinagar and Jammu. Zeenat, to you first. Certainly a very important development coming in, Republic accessing these exclusive details. If you can share more light on what has been revealed so far in the investigation.
See, Richa, if you talk about the terror funding in Jammu and Kashmir, NIA has been investigating terror funding for long time rather. It all started in 2011 when the people associated with the terror links were arrested, they were charge sheeted, and then in 2017 the development came when NIA arrested one of the sons of Syed Salahuddin, identified as Syed Shakeel, who was working as a senior lab technician at Sikkim Sora, which is a tertiary grade hospital in Srinagar. And then his role was also that he used to get not only funds from Pakistan but would get funds from Saudi Arabia. As per his account details, that he had received money through Western Union transfer, and the money and the sender was one Ejaz, but who is at present absconding, although that time NIA charges some 7 people in the case. And similarly, if you talk about Syed Shahid, who was later arrested in 2018, he works with the agriculture department in Srinagar, though now he too has been terminated. As per NIA, he too was getting funds from Saudi Arabia, from Pakistan. He not only used to receive, collect, but also used to distribute the money for terror funding. Although in this case, some 3 people have been charge sheeted after they accepted the guilt before the National Investigating NIA. In fact, now just 3 days back, the Jammu and Kashmir government ordered the termination of 11 people from the service. That also includes the Syed Salahuddin, who is also the United Jihad Council's chief and also the Hizb Supremo. His sons Syed Shakeel and Syed Shahid have been terminated from the service, but this all started in 2011 when NIA investigated terror funding in then state of Jammu and Kashmir.
All right, so stay with us, Zeenat. We'll also go across to Gursimran, who's joining us live from Jammu. Gursimran, help us understand these exclusive details that have emerged out of this entire probe. Meanwhile, Hizbul's 2 sons who rooted the terror funds have also been now removed from their positions in government. Help us understand these latest details, because remember, Shakeel's younger brother, that is Syed Shahid Yusuf Shahid, was accused of receiving these funds from Pakistan for terror operations in the then state of Jammu and Kashmir.
Yes, adding to the inputs shared by my colleague Zeenat, these are 2 different cases. One was what was being probed by the Delhi police that was later handed over to the National Investigation Agency. And other one is the one registered by the National Investigation Agency. I spoke to senior officials who is privy to the development in National Investigation Agency, and he divulged to Republic that this case pertains to 2017, and this was registered at the Delhi police station of National Investigation Agency. That was the time when Jammu police station of NIA was informed. So in this case, this son of Syed Ahmad Shakeel, of this terrorist who was now being terminated from the services, he was actively managing the funding to Hizbul Mujahideen, to Lashkar-e-Toiba and to Dukhtar-e-Millat. They have the sufficient proof, after which they arrested him. Apart from this, he was using multiple channels to gather funding for these terror outfits, for these separatist outfits in Kashmir Valley, and this was being done through hawala and other means, and this was being done so as to keep the pot in Kashmir, where the pot of violence kept on boiling. This was their modus operandi. Apart from this, what NIA sources have revealed to Republic, that they have been booked for waging war against the country, because they not only damaged the public property, they not only burnt the school during so-called their agitation, but they were also planning something big. They planned protest against the union government. They planned conspiracies against the Union of India. They planned attacks on the security forces and what not they have done. So that's why they were booked under these charges of waging crime.
So several important details, Gursimran, that have now emerged from the probe. Thank you so much, Zeenat and Gursimran, for getting us the latest. We'll also listen into what Mehbooba Mufti had to say when she also used the Khela Hobe slogan while responding to action against Syed Salahuddin's son.
I am not supporting anyone. आपका बच्चा कौन सी क्लास में पढ़ता है? पढ़ता है बच्चा आपका? बताइए ना मुझे, मैं सवाल पूछ रही हूँ आपसे। अच्छा, यहाँ तो बहुत सारे लोग होंगे ना जो मैरिड होंगे। अगर आप इस वक्त टेलीविजन में काम करते हैं, वो कोई और काम करेगा, तो उसको एक बच्चे को, एक लड़के को अपने फादर के एक्शंस के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल आप नहीं मान सकते, unless and until you don't have proofs. एक मिनट, please let me finish. Let me finish.
Ask a question.
ये खाली 11 लोग नहीं है, 20-25 लोगों को इस साल में इन्होंने बरतरफ कर दिया। मैंने पहले भी बोला है, बार-बार बोला है कि आप एक इंसान को कैद में डाल सकते हो, आइडिया को नहीं। यू हैव टू एड्रेस द आइडिया, जैसे वाजपेयी जी ने आइडिया को एड्रेस किया था। ये जो विच हंटिंग है, ये जो क्रिमिनलाइजेशन ऑफ डिसेंट हो गया है, इससे हमारा मुल्क आगे नहीं चलता है बल्कि पीछे जा रहा है।